nevertheless, I was still able to even cover it, even if there was those slight hiccups for those short periods of time, which people tend to worry about. It's just being informed, being able to get a good understanding of like what's to come. And the fact that you went through the process, the fact that you were telling me about it, let me know that it was a safe avenue and route to go down and what to look for and how to maximize and take advantage of it. So yeah, that it was really just knowing that you went through the process, knowing that you take advantage of the process, seeing the fruit of that, and then just learning to replicate it.